Hello. Okay, so welcome to week 2. I am going to show a short video to you with this lovely face here. It's going to tell you basically how we're going to outline the posts for the rest of the term. So you are going to go onto your handy dandy OpenStax, whether you're using paper, whether you're using your cell phone or a tablet. You're going to read chapter 1 and chapter 2 for this week, right? Week 2, chapter 2, okay? So what you're going to do for your posts is, for chapter 1, tell me something that you learned, 4 sentences. And chapter 2, psychological research, tell me something that you learned about this chapter. Okay, so for example, in chapter 1, I learned that William James, 1842 to 1910, was a functionalist, which means that basically he used the scientific method to explore psychology's purpose. What is the purpose of psychology? In his view, the purpose was to study the function of behavior in the world. Why do we do what we do? And he believed that it was because of survival. The reason why we behaved the way that we do, or the way that animals behave the way that they do, is because they must fit into their environment and survive. Functionalism has a second, more subtle meaning, which is that they use their whole brain, the whole mind, right, to understand something, that they're not going to be breaking it apart like William Wundt does in structuralism. They are looking at the brain as a whole and why the brain is doing the things that it does. He believes it's to survive, to function in the environment. Okay? Now, in chapter 2, psychological research, I learned that the IRB is the Internal Review Board, and that's where you must send any study proposals that you're interested in. It's an ethical way to get your peers to be reviewing what you want to do. It's a way to protect the society, the population, to protect your work and your ethics and yourself as a scholar, right? I also learned that there is an IACUC, Institutional Animal Care and Use Committee, for any proposals or experiments that are going to be using animals such as rats, monkeys, spiders, whatever they want to use in their research, right? So they will be not only applying to an IRB, which is a committee of their peers and other select individuals, but they would also be applying to a second IACUC, because as a society, we are in general very in tune with animals and trying our best to protect them. Okay? So now that I've made my post, I am looking forward to hearing from a few other people and what they thought of my post. So I look forward to seeing what you guys think. Okay, bye.